Yeah, every time she walk by, every time she walk by, every time she walk by, I be like, there she go. Every
So today, guys, as you see on my board, I'm gonna show you how to make like your own hair mask. You can use any base that I'm gonna give you. I chose to use olive oil. Also chose to use avocado. And then I chose to use honey. These are all the ingredients that I use for my hair mask. So let's get into the video. So my base is the olive oil. That's what I chose for my base. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour the olive oil in. Not really any specific amount, but this is about maybe 3 spoonsful of olive oil. It depends on how much hair you have, so it really doesn't matter depending on the amount of hair that you have. I use 3. You can probably use more if you have more hair than me, or you can use maybe 2 spoonfuls if you have less hair than me. Second ingredient is the avocado. I don't know really why I chose these ingredients. I just thought, you know, the olive oil goes good with avocado and the avocado goes good with the honey. So, and when you guys do your own, comment down below which ones you tried. I'm going to try all the ones that you guys use so to see how they work on my hair too. Okay guys, so my third ingredient is the honey. So the olive oil was your base and the avocado was just an extra ingredient, and then the honey is another extra ingredient. You're only going to use 3 ingredients for this hair mask. Your last and final step to make your hair mask is to mush it all together. So I have the honey in here, the avocado, and the olive oil. So guys, as you can probably see, hope you can see, I mashed all my stuff together and now I'm ready to put it on my hair. So with the avocados, I like finely mashed it. It might still be a little bit chunky, but that really doesn't matter to me as long as it's doing what it needs to do. So the first thing I'm going to do to apply this to my hair is part my hair into different sections. You can do 4 or how many sections you want. So let's get started. So when you're done applying it into your entire head, your scalp, and everything, I would get some and put it on my fingertips and then massage through my head and my scalp. You're done putting it all over your head. You're going to put your hair up in a loose bun. Sit with a cap on for about 40 minutes to an hour, or 20 minutes if you're in a rush, and let it sit all throughout your hair. Guys, this stuff is everywhere. It's on my pants. It's on my bed. It's on my pretty carpet. But it's worth it because my hair's gonna be feeling bomb when I rinse it out. I'm waiting for this to sit in my head for 40 minutes. I'll go ahead and give you guys some suggestions for other mixtures that you could use. So for another, oh, I scratched myself. So for another base, I would use the milk and then add in, what would I add in? I would add in bananas, and then I would put honey with that. So the milk, bananas, and honey. I would also try that. And then another combination I would try is I would say coconut oil, but coconut oil can dry your hair out. But it shouldn't hurt just to do it for like the one time. So I do coconut oil. Probably strawberries. Coconut oil, strawberries, and eggs. Sounds like a weird combination, but it just might make your hair really soft. So I think I'm gonna try those two next. And when you guys do it, so then I'm gonna try those two next, and when you guys do it, please comment down below which one you like better, which combination you like better, because I'll try them all for you guys just to see like what I think about it, my review, and all that type of stuff. Okay guys, so when you're done letting this sit in your hair for 40 to an hour, make sure you wash it out your hair. I like to wash my hair with cold water because hot or warm water can make your hair frizzy, but if you're wearing your hair naturally curly, I prefer to rinse it out with cold water. So make sure you rinse it out, wash it out, do conditioners, deep conditioners, hot oil treatments, all of that stuff, just to make sure your hair is very healthy and that it's soft and have all the nutrients or whatever. Okay guys, thank you so very much for watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below which combination you use. Whenever I find something new, I'm going to make sure that I give it to you guys. Like, I just figured all this stuff out maybe 2 days ago, and I'm hopping on this video to make sure that we all have healthy hair, because I can't be out here being selfish. And I want to give some new stuff to you guys. Like, so thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you. Bye.
There she go. Oh yeah, yeah. Every time she walk by, every time she walk by, every time she walk by, I be like, there she go. Every